Dear students, welcome to my class. So in my last video I have discussed the chapter Simple Present Tense, chapter 7, which is in page number 31. So today I shall discuss the last page of this chapter. In my last video I have discussed the rules. I had already discussed the rules of this of simple present tense. So today I shall discuss the last page of this chapter. So look number B. Take the correct verb and write it in the blanks. First is Ali. Ali dash in the rain. Ali is singular, only one singular subject. So if the subject is singular with verb s will be there. So Ali plays in the rain. I had already discussed the rules in my earlier video. So he dash the cool water falling on him. Ali is playing in the rain and he is enjoying the water that is falling on him. He is again Ali, which is singular. So the answer will be likes again, with verb s will be added. So he likes the cool water falling on him. Next is he dash to make paper boats. He again Ali singular, so it will be wants. He wants to make paper boats. See here, this is a picture of a paper boat. Next is he also wants to play with his friends. He not only wants to make paper boats, he also wants to play with his friends. Again, he also wants, because he is singular. He doesn't dash to stop playing. If does is there, then with verb s is not added. So he does not like to stop playing. Ali's mother dash him inside. His mother was calling him inside. Ali's mother. Again singular, only mother, not Ali. His mother is calling. So the subject is singular. So again it will be calls, with verb s will be added. She says, she means mother. Again singular. So again the verb says will be the answer. She says, please do not dash wet. Please do not get wet. So do is there. We never use s in a verb. So please do not get wet. We does. When does is there, we replace it. The s portion is not used. He does not like. So please do not get wet. We do not say do not play. So we say do not play. So with verb do, we do not use s. So please do not get wet. Look at exercise number C. Rewrite the sentences using he or she. In place of the highlighted words, make other changes. Highlighted words, the words which are colored. So the question is to rewrite this with using the words he or she in place of the highlighted words I, you, again I and you. In place of these words, you have to use either he or she and make a sentence. Number 1 is I play football. I is singular plus first person. First person means where the speaker will be included. If you say this I play football, I means you. So again, so it is singular plus first person, and with this s is not added. And also if the plural, if the subject is singular plus third person, then also s is not added. So as I is singular plus it is third person, so s is not added. But when I change it into he, you can also use she. So here I used he in place of I. He plays football. So he is third person. See, I and we is first person, where you will be included. You is the only one word which is the second person, and the rest, all the other words which are related to people, are the third person. So he is third person. So third person plus it is singular. So s is added. He plays football. Next is I brush my teeth every morning. In place of I used she. She, again singular plus third person, so s is added. She brushes her teeth every morning. Next is you get up late every day. You is second person, so in verb s is not added. So when I replaced it with he, He or she both are same. If we use she, then also with get s will be there because it is singular plus third person. I used he, so he gets up late every day. Next is I learned to write in school, so I replaced it with she. So she is singular plus third person, then with verb s will be added. She learns to write in school. Next is I wear glasses. So in place of I used he. So he wears glasses with verb add s. You sing well. I replaced it with she. She sings well. So in my earlier video, I had already discussed the rules of simple present tense. So this was the portion that was left. So the chapter ends here. So in my next class, I shall discuss the other chapter. I shall be giving the picture of these exercises, all the pictures of this chapter I shall be giving. So thank you and have a nice day.